Hello everyone, this is the demonstration of the Jukebox project. Before heading into the demo, let us see the assumptions that we made while developing the demo. This demo is a level 0 prototype just to reflect some understanding of what information and business logic was briefed to us. Assumptions. This is not a finished product either in terms of user interface or process flow, and it is just a prototype to reflect some common things. The final system will be automated wherever possible when it comes to management of system, and minimal manual action will be required and when necessary. Information recap. Okay, here is a brief recap of the information provided to us that we used to build this prototype. Number one, client need the system to make their DVD library available over the World Wide Web to authorized public. The DVD library basically comprises of variety of content such as videos, pictures, log files, important help manuals, and documentation, etc. The accumulated size of data is estimated around 5 terabyte of data with expected growth of data in 1 terabyte every 3 to 4 months. Client required an efficient system to bring the entire library as a jukebox where visitors can search their desired contents, view or download them if they are authorized, update contents only for the admin users. Like if the user is admin, they can update the contents, download entire DVD if they want, which will be presented to them in an ISO file. View contents based on their types, meaning different sections for videos, audios, images, and data log files to get better idea of contents. Along with the end user website, client will also require an administration area where they can manage existing contents or add new contents, manage users that are visiting to the site or managing the site, monitor progress of the site, visitor stats and content stats, perform other basic administration tasks. They will be also able to manage their backups and also they will be able to restore backups. Okay. Now let's see something about the demo. The actual system, in actual system, the part of data entry will be based on some action performed manually, such as copying, uploading new ISO images to the specified folder. System will process them automatically, and then they will be available for data entry once its contents are indexed. So basically, in actual system that we will be developing, there will be some automated structure that will simplify your data entry process. However, for the sample data, since we will be using a web-based interface, we will be doing some of the stuff manually. Okay, so for the sake of this demo, instead of using ISO file for as a DVD images, we will be using zip files, and once they will be uploaded, they will be indexed, and we will tag them so that we can search them later on. In this demo, we have used minimum graphical contents to speed up the development cycle, since ultimately it will be designed after a mutual understanding of client and our design team. So let's proceed to demo. Okay, in order to enter some contents into the system and test sample data entry screen, we will need a zip file having some images, videos, and text files. So let's create one and move ahead to demo. Note: since uploading videos as a part of zip file takes some time, since videos are heavy files and it takes some time to upload them, and since you won't be waiting for it, so let's go with pictures and documents for sake of this demo. So here are some files. Let's select them all and compress them. Now we have a zip file available. Okay, so step 1 is done. Since the file is ready to upload, let's launch the admin site that is located at http://prototypes.default.aspx. The login details for admin are admin and admin. As I told you already that for sake of this demo, we don't have any rich UI for it, since we'll be developing it as and when required, as our mutual understanding. So let's upload the zip file that we just created. Here it is. Okay. It is a 313 KB file, so it won't take any time. Let's upload it. Once the file is uploaded and indexed, some tagging will be applied to make the search efficient and meaningful. So let's apply them. Since the file is uploaded in the process of uploading, so let's wait for it. It is uploaded 53%. Yes. Okay, so now it is uploaded and being indexed. Whenever a zip file or ISO file is uploaded, it will be extracted and all the files found in that zip will be listed. The first field here is for a description of the overall image file. So let's give some description. So this will be used as a search term for this image file. Now tag some images with something whatever you want to, like image, Android, and logo. Keep going with the rest of the stuff. So since we have provided some description, we can provide whatever we want to. It will be used as a search term or search tags for this particular file. So let's save it. Okay, we are done with it. Now, once we have indexed all the contents, applied tags to it and save it, we are good to visit the sample website to see our contents. That site is located at farmerleaf.com/prototype. So let's head towards it. Okay, here's the sample website where we can search videos, images, text, or whatever we want. So let's search for a video. Let's say type something like N. We have some data pre-populated for sake of this demo against the term N or network. To bring like all the lists provided in the data, we can download the file or we can download the entire ISO. Or if you want, we can play this video right from the website. So here it goes. Okay, like images, like videos, we can search images as well. For example, the way we just typed images for different images and logo for some of the content. So let's type logo and search images. It will take us to the images tab like this, and will list all the results found against the term logo. Here they are. We can view them. We can view their description, file size, and content, and whatever description we provided. Same is the case with these. We can download the individual file or we can download entire ISO that this image belongs to. So that if the user wants just a 500 KB file, like it is just a 22 KB file, so they don't need to download entire ISO file for using of this image. So it will increase efficiency both in terms of client usage and on server resources consumed. So this is for the images, and let's move for the text, like XLS search. So I guess it will list the Excel file that we just uploaded. Only it has two of them. So here is the event timetable, and finally got the two. Basically, we had two Excel files, so it brought in everything. So we can download this file simply by clicking on the download button. Here it is. You can see the name, same name, event timetable, Exodus, and here it is. We can open it. So here it is. Okay. You can download entire ISO as well if you want to. You can download all the file all the entire zip file that we just created. Here it is being downloaded. The 306 KB that we just uploaded. So let's cancel it. We don't need it. So I guess this concludes the demo of the demonstration, because it has just the basic features that we discussed, and we can go ahead whatever wherever like suggestions are received, and based on those suggestions we will obviously implement them.